Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of AI? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the art of prompt engineering. Some people think that it's all about fine-tuning models when it comes to generating engaging AI text. But what if I told you the real magic happens before the model even starts generating text? Intrigued? Let's unravel this together. Before we dive in, a quick intro to LLM or large language models, like GPT-3 or GPT-4. These AI can generate human-like text, but they need some guidance from us. This is where prompt engineering comes in. In the simplest terms, prompting is all about asking the model the right questions. For example, to make a model translate English text to French, you could prompt it with "Translate the following English text to French." Sounds simple enough, right? But there's much more to it. There's an art to designing prompts. A well-crafted prompt can make a language model perform tasks way beyond its initial training. This involves careful consideration of the LLM settings and understanding the elements that make a prompt effective. Now, imagine being able to turn your AI into a translator, a coder, a storyteller, or even a teacher just by tweaking your prompts. Amazing, right? Well, how do we go about creating these magical prompts? There are several techniques that come in handy. Let's start with zero-shot prompts. This is where we give the model a task without any prior examples, using only a single input. Then we have few-shot prompts, where we provide a few examples to guide the model towards the desired response. But it gets more interesting. There's the chain of thought prompts, where the model essentially has a dialogue with itself, and active prompts, where the prompt evolves based on the model's responses. There are even more advanced methods, like React or automatic prompt engineering, that use machine learning to optimize prompts and make this process easier and more efficient. Common misconception: AI can only generate simple text or answer basic questions. But what if AI could generate research data, write robust code, or even assist you in creating an enthralling piece of fiction? These are not far-fetched ideas, but actual applications of prompt engineering. With well-designed prompts, we can guide models to perform a wide array of tasks, from data generation for scientific research to writing pieces of code for software development. All these amazing applications wouldn't be possible without the powerful models that underpin them. We're talking about AI wonders like FLAN, ChatGPT, and the enormous GPT-4. Are you spending hours fine-tuning your AI model, but not getting the results you desire? Maybe it's time to focus on your prompts. The right prompts are like the navigation system for your AI, guiding it to give the results you want. With great power, however, comes great responsibility. We can't ignore the potential risks and misuses of prompting. There's adversarial prompting, where malicious users try to trick the model into inappropriate behavior. We also need to be careful about the model generating inaccurate or biased information. These challenges remind us that prompt engineering is a field that requires ongoing learning and development. So there you have it. Prompt engineering is an exciting and transformative aspect of AI. It's about carefully guiding, directing, and fine-tuning our interactions with these powerful models to achieve impressive outcomes. If this deep dive into prompt engineering has piqued your curiosity, then click that subscribe button. Let's continue to explore the fascinating world of AI together. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What other AI topics would you like to see us cover next? We'd love to hear from you. Till then, remember, it's not just about coding, it's about prompting.